Take one. Take two.
स्टार्ट हो गया।
अच्छा, कहाँ दिख रहे हैं?
यहाँ दिखना
कहाँ
है।
दिख रहे हैं?
Take three.
I'm from Mumbai. I've done my bachelor's from Sir J.J. School of Art and master's from Heriot University in UK. So I'm participating in Unknowns for the first time, and it's really exciting because there are so many artists from different states, and everybody have their own special. They have mastered their own medium, and it is really great to be a part of this show. So, a little bit about my recent work. I had been so my sorry.
इट्स ओके।
Um, I work with tapestry, a medium of expression. So I weave paintings. It is like a painting for me, and the nature of this medium is very tactile and meditative for me. So when I go to paint, it is very spontaneous and it happens in a very short span of time. But when I'm weaving the same painting, the medium dictates itself and it takes a long time. So that process, that part of the process is very meditative for me and it is like growing something. I work with landscapes around me, so wherever I am based, I like to study the ecological nature that I'm surrounded with. So, as an artist, I feel whatever we see around us, there is some connection that humans have with nature. A lot of times nowadays, it is the human intervention in nature where we are kind of disturbing the natural flow of nature. So, for example, the rivers in our country. In so many places, the soil itself is lost and it has been replaced with cement. So, when I am situated in a place, I feel something for this, and that is why I work in this medium. So I was in Baroda in Space Studio residency for 4 months, and this is the series I've made. So it revolves around the Vishwamitri river in Baroda. I visited this place where the river originates from Pavagadh, and that was a beautiful, serene visual that I saw there. And then when the river flows in the city, there are so many other things that get mixed in it, which is disturbing its natural flow. So I am trying to create an image of the river which reimagining it as its pure form. So this I've worked in two layers, and it is kind of an abstract impression of the river. And alongside, I've done these experiments in paper mache and river. So again, the tactile nature of paper mache pulls my eye because it is not just visual. Someone who cannot see, someone who is visually impaired can also touch it. So I like people to experience my art through touch as well. So here I've embedded weaving in paper. So somewhere you see natural materials. All of it has been dyed in natural material, and then there are bits of plastic and things that I've collected on my way. So this series was a part of Godavari river. I have been walking through the banks of Godavari river, and whatever I collected, I have put it in. And this is again alongside the Vishwamitri river, which I did. So over the 4 months, where my studio was outside, I saw this visual. I used to see this every day, that the road was being constructed, and a group of women used to come with all their colorful saris, and they used to construct the road. So somewhere I felt I was reimagining the situation in a different way. So there are these abstract forms where you see that women are constructing maybe nature. It is something related to natural activity. So
Next. Fine.
hmm.
Thanks, Bolvi. Announce opportunity.
So thank you, Unknown Sardu, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm really grateful, and all the best to all the participating artists. Thank you.
Yeah. Done.
बहुत सारे edits रहेंगे ना?
नहीं